Life with my dogs.
Hey dog lovers, planning a trip with your furry best friend. Whether you're hitting the road or taking to the skies, keeping your pup safe is priority number one. Let's dive into some essential travel tips for a smooth and stress-free journey. First up, safety in the car. Never let your dog roam freely while driving. Use a crash-tested dog seat belt, a secure crate, or a pet car seat to keep them safe. And remember, no heads out the window. As cute as it looks, it's risky. Next, don't forget the travel essentials. Bring food, water, a leash, poop bags, and your dog's favorite toy to keep them comfortable. A pet first aid kit, always a good idea. Long drives. Stop every 2 to 3 hours for bathroom breaks and to stretch those paws. Always have fresh water available to keep your pup hydrated. This one's a biggie. Never leave your dog alone in a parked car, even on a mild day. Temperatures inside can rise quickly and put your dog in danger. Flying with your dog, check airline pet policies, book pet-friendly accommodations, and make sure your dog's crate is airline approved for a comfy ride. Traveling with your pup can be a fun adventure. Just plan ahead and prioritize safety. Got any travel tips of your own? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet-friendly tips. Safe travels. You and your pup deserve it.
Life with my dogs.